Hello everyone, I am Pawan Panchal. Now we are going to discuss about chemical reaction and equations. We have classified into two parts. In part first, we will talk about chemical reaction and equation, and we will discuss about determination of chemical reaction. You can say also characteristics of chemical reaction. We will talk about definition of chemical reaction and chemical equation. In part second, we will talk about types of chemical reaction, balancing of a chemical reaction, what is the corrosion, what is the rusting of iron, what is the rancidity. We will solve NCERT problems also. Now we are going to discuss about change in reaction. We have two types of changes in reaction, physical change and chemical change. Now we are talking about physical change, reaction in which physical properties are changed but chemical properties remain same. Reaction in which physical properties are changed but chemical properties remain same. We can say physical change in reaction. In this reaction, no new substance is formed. If we talk about example, conversion of water into steam and conversion of ice into water. Now we will talk about chemical change. If we talk about the chemical change in reaction in which physical and chemical properties are changed together. Reaction in which physical and chemical properties are changed and new substances are found. Reaction in which physical and chemical properties are changed and new substances are found. In chemical change, new substances are formed, energy change are involved, there is change in mass during the reaction. We can say chemical change in reaction. For example, burning of the fuel. Now we will discuss about determination of the chemical reaction or characteristics of chemical reaction. How can we determine a chemical reaction? A chemical reaction can be determined with the help of any of the following observation: evolution of the gas, change in temperature, change in color, change in state. If we talk about evolution of the gas, if the chemical reaction between zinc and dilute sulfuric acid, you can see hydrogen gas is evolved. You can determine a chemical reaction evolution of the gas. Change in temperature, if chemical reaction between slacked lime and water, this is an exothermic reaction and heat is evolved, you can determine a chemical reaction with the help of change in temperature. Change in color, if chemical reaction between potassium permanganate and citric acid, then you can see change in color purple to colorless. You can determine chemical reaction with the help of change in color. Change in state, conversion of water into steam is the best example of change in state. Now we are going to discuss about chemical reaction. What is the chemical reaction? We can say the transformation of chemical substances into another substances. The transformation of chemical substances into another substances known as chemical reaction. In another definition, the process in which two or more chemical substances combine together. The process in which two or more chemical substances combine together and form new substance with different properties known as chemical reaction. We have a lot of chemical reaction in our daily life, like is conversion of milk into curd, digestion of food, etc. If we talk about example, burning of the fuel is the chemical reaction, example of the chemical reaction, and rusting of iron also example of chemical reaction. Now we are going to talk about reactant and products. What is the reactant and what is the product? If we talk about the reactant, chemical substances which participate in a chemical reaction. Chemical substances which participate in chemical reaction are called reactants, and new chemical substances formed after a chemical reaction. New chemical substances formed after a chemical reaction is called product. For example, you can see zinc and H2SO4 react together and formed ZnSO4 plus hydrogen gas evolved. Zinc and H2SO4 reactant take part in a chemical reaction. These are reactants, and new substance formed after a chemical reaction, these are product. Now we will discuss about chemical equation. What is the chemical equation? the symbolic representation of a chemical reaction known as chemical equation. We can say also representation of a chemical reaction in terms of symbols and chemical formulas. Representation of a chemical reaction in terms of symbols and chemical formula known as chemical equation. What is a word equation? If we talk about the word equation, a word equation is a chemical reaction expressed words rather than chemical formula. It helps identify the reactants and products in a chemical reaction. You can see in this reaction sodium reacts with chloride and formed sodium chloride. A chemical equation can be divided into two types: balanced chemical equation and unbalanced chemical equation. We will discuss about balanced chemical equation and unbalanced chemical equation in part 2nd. Now, symbols of elements and their valences. If we talk about symbols of elements, a symbol is the chemical code for an element. Each element has one or two letter atomic symbols, which is the abbreviated from its name. And if we talk about the valences is the combining capacity of the element. It can be considered as the number of electron lost, gained and shared by the atom. A skeletal chemical equation. You can say skeletal chemical equation. We know that a chemical equation which simply represents the symbols and formulas of reactants and product taking part in the reaction, known as skeletal chemical equation. We can say also skeletal equations are the equations in which there is only chemical formulas of reactants and products but no state and no balancing in the equation. We can say a skeletal chemical equation. For example, the burning of the magnesium in air and formed magnesium oxide. You can say magnesium and oxygen, a skeletal reaction, cause in this reaction no state and no balancing, so we can say skeletal chemical equations. Thank you for watching. We will discuss about in part 2nd types of chemical reaction, balancing of the chemical reaction, corrosion and rusting of iron and rancidity